You make a quick crypto trade and turn a few $100s into a few thousand. It feels unreal. Then tax season shows up, and suddenly the profit doesn't feel like yours anymore. That's because crypto profits don't get taxed the way most beginners think. A lot of people believe crypto is anonymous, untracked, and untaxed until cash hits their bank account. That belief costs people money. The IRS treats crypto profits like real income, and they expect their cut. The IRS doesn't see crypto as money. They see it as property, like stocks, real estate, or collectibles. That one definition changes everything. Every time you sell crypto for more than you paid, you create a taxable event, even if the money never touches your bank account. Here's what surprises beginners: you don't need to cash out to owe tax. You owe tax when you sell crypto for dollars, swap one coin for another, use crypto to buy something, or trade out of a position at a profit. Each one counts. Every move matters. The math itself is simple. What you sold it for minus what you paid for it, that difference is the gain. Buy a coin for $1,000 and sell it for $1,600. Your taxable gain is $600. Not the full sale, just the profit. Holding time still matters. Hold crypto 1 year or less, and it's short term. Hold it longer than a year, and it's long term. Short-term gains are taxed like your paycheck. Long-term gains get lower rates, just like stocks. Fast trading usually means higher taxes. Let's put numbers to it. You make $70,000 at your job and earn a $4,000 crypto profit. If it's short-term, that $4,000 stacks on top of your income. At a 22% rate, you owe about $880 and keep around $3,120. If it's long-term, that same $4,000 might be taxed at 15%. You owe about $600 and keep around $3,400. Same trade. Same profit. One decision cost $280. Here's another situation that shocks people. Two friends buy the same coin on the same day at the same price. One swaps it into another coin at a profit. The other waits. The swap counts as a sale, which triggers tax. One owes tax now. The other doesn't. The biggest beginner mistake is thinking crypto-to-crypto trades don't count. They do. Another mistake is not tracking trades. Exchanges report activity, and blockchains don't forget. By the time people realize what they owe, the tax bill is already real. Here's the practical takeaway. Crypto taxes come down to three things: your profit, how long you held it, and your income level. That's it. Crypto isn't special to the IRS. Only the math matters. If you plan the trade, you can plan the tax. So ask yourself this. If you made dozens of crypto trades this year, do you actually know what your crypto gains cost you? Because guessing with crypto taxes is how small profits turn into big problems.